right, class, welcome back. This is Monday, the start of week 4, which is so crazy to me. 4 weeks of online learning. Crazy. So right now it's raining, which is amazing to me. But we're going to be talking about math. This is our math video for today. And this is what your worksheet looks like. So I have your packet. I didn't staple my packet, but this is what your packet looks like. So this week we're really just reviewing what we learned last week, and we're taking a quiz and a test. So today we're reviewing the equations in the tables, and then you're going to take a quiz on it tomorrow. And then Wednesday we're going to talk about the graphing the ordered pairs, and then you'll take a test on that, okay? So we're going to look at these ones. I'm only going to go over one example because there's only 4 on your page, and I really want you guys to see what questions you have before taking your quiz. And we'll go over these kind of on the live too. So we're going to look at the one that says number 10, all right? So it says, I have it a little bit bigger writing here, so hopefully you can see it a little bit better. Okay? So the equation for number 10 is y equals x divided by 2. And then you have, do you only have 3 or 4 spots? That's my bad. You only needed 3 spots. Let's erase that. Anyway. So here's how it breaks it down. Instead of us just having x and y, it gives you the steps, which we do in our videos. We did it last week, but we just didn't put it into a table. So last week our table just kind of looked like the x and the y, but we still did this middle section. It just wasn't in the table, okay? So we're going to choose our points for x. I'm just going to do 2, 4, and 6 because you're dividing it by 2. You want something that you can divide by 2. For ease. So we're going to do 2, 4, and 6. Okay? So for the next one, x divided by 2 equals y. So you would do 2 divided by 2 equals y. That's all you have to write in there. 2 divided by 2 equals y. Okay? So what is y equal? Well, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So now it says x comma y, which is our coordinates, our ordered pair. So our x was 2, and our y was 1. Simple enough? So let's go through the second one, where it says 4. So we're going to do 4 for x. 4 divided by 2 equals y. All you're doing is you're going to copy this equation, but you're inputting the number for x. See that? It says x is 4, so x is 4 down here. So now you solve for y. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then you take your x coordinate, which was 4, and your y coordinate, which was 2. So we have 2, 1, 4, 2. Okay? And finally, we're going to look at 6. So input 6 for x. 6 divided by 2 equals y. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then you have 6, 3. And you're done with your table. So this is really all you're doing on your quiz. Let me pull up your quiz for tomorrow so you can see it. And I'll be going over your quiz for tomorrow in tomorrow's video as well. But as you can see, you're already given points on x, and all you have to do is solve for y. That's all you have to do. Solve for y. Okay? I'll talk about that a little bit more in depth tomorrow. But just so you know, you don't have to come up with your own points for x. You're literally just taking the equation and solving for y. Okay? So that's all you have to do for today's is fill in. You're going to choose your numbers. So for 1 and 2, it doesn't really matter what numbers you choose. Same with where it says number 9. For number 10, I chose even numbers because they're divisible by 2. So then I don't get a weird decimal of 0.5 for anything. All right, I think that's it. If you have any questions about it, please let me know. But it's just those 4, it's no backside or anything, just those 4 tables.